Here's a beauty to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. Just in 2007 Shelby GT500 Mustang Coupe, 2-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents, actual miles. Listen to this, 4,529. This thing is probably about as close to fresh off the showroom floor in 2007 as you can get. There's correspondence, letters, emails between the first owner and the second owner. I'll get to that in just a little bit. Original paperwork that's going to go with this car and more. But first, let's take a look at this front fascia, show you how clean this is. Free of nicks, chips, dings. Of course, the supercharged 5.4 liter dual overhead cam V8 underneath the hood, hand built, 6-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, performance white with the blue stripes. Iconic Shelby color. Love this color combination on this car. Check out the still pictures. Look at the underside, like new. Look at the interior, engine bay, trunk, Shaker 1000 system you're going to notice in that trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pics. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Riding on the correct SVT wheels. Did have new radial tires put on in 2022 due to age. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see, I mean, it's, again, free of any nicks, dings, scuffs. Again, the car is like new. This is one of those cars, if you want to keep it for a collector piece, you can sure do that. Or if you want to get out and drive it, have some fun, be a great car for that also. Of course, the leather, ebony or black leather seats, center console. There you can see that shaker system, AM, FM, CD changer. Again, with the Shaker 1000 in it, you can see that on the window sticker. The original window sticker is going to go with this car. Again, correspondence between the first and second owner, email, letters. I'm going to send that along with it. There is also an Elite Marty report that has been framed. There's a Kimberly-Clark Evolution fabric car cover that's absolutely immaculate, and that's probably one of the best you can buy. Indoor, outdoor one. The FedEx folder there you see, envelope, that has a lot of the paperwork in it, the original delivery paperwork, the original sales contract, the original window sticker, and there's also some paperwork from when the second owner picked it up after it was traded in and then purchased. Went from Kansas to South Dakota. This car has never been in any sort of inclement weather, transported enclosed, and it shows. There's no doubt about that. Take a look at the still pictures. And like I said, underside, interior, engine bay, this thing's like new. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Again, you can see free of any nicks, dings, scratches, scuffs. If you like these specialty Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Door panels, great shape. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat. Of course, tilt and cruise. Condition of the seat, just what you'd expect with a low mile car. Looks like it's off the showroom floor. Let's go ahead and fire it up. By the way, this is one of those cars, I'll show you the floor mats. It has floor mats on the floor mats that are on the carpeting. That tells you anything. Close the door a second here. All right. Since the second owner had it, 631 miles were put on it, total of 4,529. There's a close-up on Shaker 1000, and it is working.
North Mankato.
6-speed manual, no service engine soon lights, check engine soon, anything like that. Full tank and on oxy. Like I said, this thing's ready to go. Slip around to the back. I have not noticed any modifications, and there is no indications of any in the paperwork, anything like that. Completely stock. Take that back. I believe Motorcraft battery was installed, obviously due to age, as well as those tires. So you don't have to worry about investing in any of that. It's ready to go. Alright, let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood open and propped up. And remember, stick around to the very end. Jason will take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. No doubt in my mind, this is going to be a fun one. Alright, get an idea how clean the underside of that hood is, that hood liner. Beautiful. There it is, that hand-built 5.4 liter dual overhead cam, supercharged V8, 500 horsepower, and it is immaculate underneath here. Mentioned Motorcraft Max battery installed. I don't know where you're going to find another one cleaner and nicer shape or more well taken care of. It's a beauty, folks. No surprises on this one. 2007 Shelby GT500 Mustang Coupe. 4,529 miles on the odometer at the moment. Clean Carfax 2 owner, well documented. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2007 Ford Mustang. This is a 6-speed manual. And as you can maybe hear, it's got a power adder. She's supercharged. Always more fun when they're supercharged. Got it in 6th gear at 60 miles an hour, doing 1600 RPM. Nice and low, nice and happy. Our fuel gauge is almost full. Our oil pressure is about 2/3 of the way up from low. Temperature is 1/4 of the way up from cold. All that is looking good. This car has less than 5,000 miles on it, a lot less than 5,000 miles. So think about it, 2007, it's pretty much a new car. If you missed the boat on your dream Mustang from that era, here it is. Beautiful, comfortable bucket seats. Stereo sounds great. Clutch feels really good, easy to shift. Nice fat leather steering wheel. Corners very well, nice and flat. Just keep your foot in the throttle and have fun. This corners very well, accelerates very well. Beautiful, I don't know, charcoal? It's black. It's a satin black interior against that white exterior. Take a look at all the pictures up close and personal of this Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.